What is biology? A science of life. Biology consists of two Greek words, bios, that means life, logos, meaning thoughts or reasoning. Biology consists of the part of science that deals with the study of nature and living organisms that lives in our living world. Biology consists of mammals, that includes reptiles, insects, and many organisms. Organisms have some special characteristics that said to be living things. Some examples that includes they are hands, they are birds, it includes lions, there includes rabbits, and insects includes mantis, spiders. Plants, some multicellular and unicellular, algae, and fungi. The special characteristics that present in a living organisms include they can move, they can reproduce, they can grow, they respirate, they excrete, they utilize nutrients, and many more.